Yo, what is up everybody on YouTube? Thank you guys for tuning into another video on the Brand Flakes TV, and this video is going to be an unboxing video from Stockx. This is my first time purchasing from Stockx. I have purchased from Go app before, but this is my first Stockx purchase and I'm very excited to show you guys what's in the box, so let's hop into it right now. Alright you guys, so for what's in this box, I am very excited for the release date. I did secure this pair. I did pay over retail just because I wanted to make sure that I had this pair, and I really want to double up, maybe even triple up on this shoe, because this shoe is just so icy to me and I'm very excited to have it in my collection. Finally, I did have it when I was in high school, and I'll explain the story later on, because if I do say the story then it's going to give away what's in this box. So let's hop into it right now. Alright you guys, so first purchase from Stockx. I have my knife right here.
It's a knife.
Old knife. Let's hop into it. Just raw footage. Opening this box. As you guys can see, it has a little bubble wrap. Shout out to Stockx for, making sure my box was perfect with this bubble wrap. It is a Jordan. As you guys can see, it's a Jordan 3 box. I'm sure that just gave it away. But I'm super excited to freaking see this shoe. I haven't seen them in person yet. I'm being very awkward. I don't know what, bro, like, fam, what am I doing? Like, bruh, I don't know what I'm doing, but let's just get this box out. There you go. Put that away. But yeah, so here you go. Size 9.5. Air Jordan 3 Retro OG. I am very excited. I did go half a size down. I usually go 9.5 in my Jordan 1, so I went ahead and went a 9.5 in the Jordan 3. I do wear a 9.5 and 10. I haven't looked at the shoe yet, but Jordan Jumpman box. It says, snap a pic, show your verified authentic tag, upload to Instagram, blah blah blah. Welcome to Stockx. So first purchase. Shout out to Stockx and GOAT because it was a very good idea. Oh man, I am so excited, bruh. God, look at this. I don't even so it's verified, of course. Man, let me just. The leather is alright. I'm not excited about the leather, but overall I'm very excited about this Nike Air back tab. Oh man, look how sexy that shit is, bruh. Oh god. So beautiful. Oh, they smell straight out the factory smell. Nike Air on the inside. I'm not hyped about this leather. I don't know if it's just me, but my Royals have better leather than this. I mean, it's cool. It's not the best, but then again, this is honestly my first pair of 3s that are going to stay in my collection. So I used to have these back in high school in a size 10.5, and they were all like paint chipped. They were bought off of a sneaker Facebook group, and I didn't like how they fit, so I just gave it, or sold them back for the same price I got them for. But here you go, verified by Stockx. I'm sorry if this video sucks, but I'm just looking at it and I'm super hyped because I didn't like the Jumpman. I really like how the Nike Air is freaking beautiful. So sexy, it smells nice, and I'm just embracing that I finally have this shoe in my damn collection. But yeah, so first pair of 3s. I'm not really known to, when it comes to Jordan 1s, shattered backboard quality is the best quality. When it comes to Jordan 3s, I'm not too sure, but a lot of people said these aren't bad. And they're not terrible, but I thought they would be a little bit better. But yeah, so there you go, Jordan 3. I'm super hyped. Let me get the other pair. And it came with a Stockx sticker. Shout out to, D-Generation X. But yes, they low-key dubbed that off DX. No, I don't watch WWE anymore. But let me know if you feel like this is dubbed off D-Generation X. Suck it. But yeah, so there you go. Oh man, without the tag, that's cool. Whatever. These are freaking. I'm just embracing this, fam. The elephant. Moment of silence, real quick. This is beautiful elephant print. God, I know you guys have seen a lot of, I don't want to go into full detail because I'm sure you guys have seen a whole bunch of reviews on these, but I'm just super excited. I'm gonna freaking see if they fit me. Let's throw these on right now. I got a size 9.5. I hope they fit, cause your boy, I'm sure they'll fit, but I just 9.5 is perfect. Perfect. Your boy's just like throwing this on. It's not even edited or anything. Man, I hate how you wear ripped jeans and your whole knee just be popping out like that. Like, oh man, this thing is sexy, bruh. I cannot wait. Oh god, dude. Oh, on feet even better. 9.5 fits me perfectly. I was skeptical to see what, like, sketched out to see what size I got, but shout out to Stockx. I did pay, I think 100 or 80. I paid $80 over retail. So, or after taxes, it would have been $220 or something like that in Vegas. So I did pay like $280. So I paid a little over retail. I'm not too mad about it because today is Tuesday and the release date is Saturday, so I got them early. Alright you guys, so that wraps up the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. This is my first pair of Jordan 3s that are going to stay in my collection because they actually fit me this time. The Nike Air is sexy. I know this video was kind of dragged out longer than it needed to be, but I also do see a minor flaw where little paint, I don't know if you guys can see it, but like little paint is scuffed off right there. I'm not mad about it because I wear my sneakers and things like that happen, but I am gonna tape the insoles where the Nike Air stays in there. This is a shoe I will wear. I'm not gonna let it sit, but this is a shoe I will wear when it's time to be worn, maybe next year, just because I want to let the hype die down. But I'm super excited to have these. Thank you guys for watching. You guys can follow all the links down below in the description. Shout out to Stockx for making the process super easy, and shout out to Go as well because I use both of those apps. This is my first time using Stockx, so shout out to them for letting me get this pair early and helping you know, the community, making sure that their shoes are real, or every shoe is real. But yeah, so links in the description. Hit them up. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Y'all have a good day. Peace.